Hi everyone, in front of me I've got the DOOGEE S40 and let me share with you how to check IMEI and serial number on this device. So actually we've got two different ways to check those numbers. The first one is much faster and it requires a secret code, and the second is using the settings, and of course I'll show you both. So let's begin with the quicker one. Let's enter the dialer, choose the keypad, and let's enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see, thanks to this code we can check both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. So let's tap on OK, and let me show you another way, because first of all we couldn't receive the information about the serial number using the secret code, or it will be also helpful if for some reason the code won't work in your case. So let's enter the settings. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on System. Now let's tap on Advanced and enter About Phone. And here all we have to do is to simply scroll down a little bit to find the IMEI numbers. So as you can see, we've got them for both SIM slots, and if you'd like to check the serial number, it is not listed right here, but you have to enter the model and hardware and the serial number will appear. So actually this is it. This is how to check IMEI and serial number in your DOOGEE S40. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.